Hello everyone, my name is May and the topic today, are you an early bird or a night owl? Well, usually on a work day, I get up at 6:30 in the morning because I start work at 8 o'clock. On the weekend, I usually have a lie in, so I wake up at about 9 or 10, sometimes 11, depending on how tired I am. I usually go to bed quite late, which isn't very good, but maybe about midnight or sometime later. It depends. And I find it difficult to go to sleep early. Thank you for listening and see you tomorrow.